Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to archive all messages on Messenger in one click. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Messenger app on your device and go to the Chats tab. Actually, Messenger currently does not offer a direct feature to archive all messages in one click. However, you can archive conversations individually using the following steps. To archive a conversation, press and hold on the chat you want to archive, and from this menu, tap on Archive option. As you can see, the selected conversation has disappeared from the Chats tab. To find the archived chat, tap on your profile icon from the top left side, and from this sidebar, tap on Archive. Here you can find the archived chat. And now if you want to unarchive, again press and hold for a moment, and from this menu, tap on Unarchive. Now let's go back to the Chats tab, and there you go. The conversation is back to the Chats tab. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.